Enle Ekabo. Hello, welcome to another episode, another lesson. In this one, we're going to go through some essential phrases you can use when you're offering to help somebody in Yoruba. Bear in mind, these phrases are written in the polite form, so it's safe to use with friends or someone older. Ṣé mo lè ràn yín lọ́wọ́? Could I help or assist you? Ṣé mo lè ràn yín lọ́wọ́? This is a very good one to offer help. It's quite commonly used, so try to remember this one. Very handy. Ṣé mo lè ràn yín lọ́wọ́? Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ kí n ràn yín lọ́wọ́? Would you like me to help or assist you? This one is almost like you're offering. You don't know if to try to assist the person or not, then you can say this phrase. But the first one I mentioned is better. Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ kí n ràn yín lọ́wọ́? Ẹ má gbé nǹkan tó wúwo. Don't lift heavy things or items. So let's assume you've seen someone that is trying to carry something very heavy, and what you're trying to do is you're trying to help the person to carry the things. You say, oh, ẹ má gbé nǹkan tó wúwo. Ẹ má gbé nǹkan tó wúwo. Ẹ fi sílẹ̀. Leave it, or kind of leave it alone. So let's say you said that first one about not lifting heavy things, and you're gesturing to the person that you're about to help them with that item. So you can say ẹ fi sílẹ̀. Ẹ fi sílẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí n bá yín. Please, let me help you. And then you put the action word here. So whatever it is that you're trying to help the person with, you need to know the verb for that action that you're trying to help them with, but you can insert it here. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí n bá yín. Àpẹẹrẹ, example here. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí n bá yín gbé. Please let me help you to carry it. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí n bá yín gbé. Mo lè, tẹ́ bá fẹ́. I can, if you would like. So that's almost like, again, you're offering here. You're not too sure whether or not you should go ahead to assist the person. You put in the verb, the action word in the gap. Mo lè, tẹ́ bá fẹ́. Here's another example. Mo lè fọ̀, tẹ́ bá fẹ́. I can wash it if you would like. Fọ̀ is to wash. So when you say for, is wash it. So mo lè fọ̀, tẹ́ bá fẹ́. Mo lè fún yín. I can or I could for you. Again, you need the verb, the action word to insert into this gap, whatever it is that you're trying to assist the person with. Mo lè fún yín. Àpẹẹrẹ, example again. Mo lè rà fún yín. I can buy it for you. Rà is to buy. So rà is buy it. Mo lè rà fún yín. Ṣé kí n bá yín wò? Should I help you have a look at it? Basically. So let's say something is broken or damaged, and you want to assist the person to have a look at what it is. Ṣé kí n bá yín wò? Màá bá yín ṣe. I will help you do it. Or I'll help you to do it. Màá bá yín ṣe. So this one is a handy one to memorize as well. Màá bá yín ṣe. Màá gbé yín débẹ̀. I will take you there. So let's say the person is trying to get somewhere, and say you drive and you want to give them a lift to where they're going. You can say màá gbé yín débẹ̀. Màá gbé yín débẹ̀. Ẹ má ṣèyọnu. Don't bother about it. So again, you're taking off something off the person's hand, assisting them with something. You just say, ẹ má ṣèyọnu. Don't bother about it. As in, you're saying you're going to assist them. Ẹ má ṣèyọnu. Ṣé kí n wò? Shall I have a look at it? This one, you're saying almost like you're not sure if to actually go ahead and look at it or not. So you're asking almost for permission. Ṣé kí n wò? Ṣé kí n wò? Ẹ má dààmú ara yín. Don't worry yourself. It's basically, don't stress yourself. Almost like, don't stress yourself. I'm going to assist you. Ẹ má dààmú ara yín. Don't stress yourself. Have a seat or something like that. I'm going to help you. Ẹ má dààmú ara yín. Lastly, just a few bonus phrases when you're ending that conversation with the person. This is probably how it ends. So there'll be some, thank yous, you're welcome, etc. So if you're not sure how to end the conversation, this is what the person might say. Oshe means thank you. Oshe literally actually means you did it. But we use it to say thank you. Oshe is also another way to say thank you. But eshe and esheun, these are the polite versions of those two phrases that I just said. So the person might say this if you're someone not familiar with them and they want to be polite. Mo dúpẹ́ means thank you. This is actually more of an original phrase for thank you, but you can use any of the ones I've said already. Mo dúpẹ́, thank you. You can respond to say kò tọ́pẹ́, which means you're welcome. There's no sort of polite or informal version to this. Kò tọ́pẹ́ can be used with anybody. You're welcome. Kò tọ́pẹ́. That comes to the end of the phrases I wanted to share with you in this lesson, in this episode. As always, you need to practice. So try and get a chance to say some of these phrases with someone that you know that speaks to you about or understands you about. Or if you don't have that opportunity, just practice saying them out loud and repeating them, so at least you're familiar with when you hear someone say it. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up to show that you enjoy the content. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for sticking on the video thus far. I hope you learned something new, some useful phrases that you can have a go at saying to your family members or even people outside or your community that speak Yoruba, to offer to help them. They will be very impressed. All right, thanks once again. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye.